Hey guys, I'm going to be sharing with you the best treatment for healthy, strong hair. And it's going to be right here, your coconut oil. You can find it at the grocery store, the beauty supply store. I got this one at Sam's Wholesale Club for the best bargain. But coconut oil is not just for cooking, guys. It's a great beauty benefit. And what you're going to do with this is you're going to open it and you're going to take out, depending on how thick your hair is, you're going to take either a teaspoon, a hefty teaspoon, or a tablespoon. You're going to scoop it out right here. And you can see coconut oil is thick. Looks kind of like Crisco or lard, but you got to put it in a container and melt it in the microwave. Not very long though, but this is the best hot oil treatment, hair conditioning thing that you can do. So you're going to put it in here for about 20 seconds. My reflection. I didn't want that in there. Anyways, because I just woke up and I'm not even dressed. I just got out of bed. Okay. And you can see now it's melted and it looks like regular oil. And what you're going to do with this is you're going to take your brush. I guess you could use your fingers, but it's probably really messy. But you're going to take your brush and dip it in and put it in your head from the roots to the ends. And the benefit of doing that is it will moisturize your hair. It will make it shinier. It will prevent split ends. If you have dry scalp, it will help with that too. And once you put it on your head and saturate it in your scalp to the ends, you're going to leave it on for at least 30 minutes. You can leave it on overnight under a shower cap. You can leave it as long as you want to, and you're just going to wash and condition as normal after you've let it sit. And your hair comes out so soft and shiny. It's really good if you have chemically processed your hair. And another tip is if you're going to be bleaching your hair and you're going to do it yourself, you don't even rinse out the coconut oil. You apply the bleach on top of the coconut oil, and it helps prevent breakage and stuff like that. And it actually, I read that it helps develop the process faster if you leave the coconut oil in your hair when bleaching. So this is, like I said, there are many hair masks out there, but just coconut oil will save you a lot of money, and it lasts forever. So I recommend it, and it's worked miracles on my hair. Thanks. Hope it helps.